So you have a Mazda Miata from 1995, 91, 96, 93, 92, and you want to add coolant to it. First thing you're going to do is make sure that the car has been setting for at least 30 to 45 minutes before you even attempt to do this, because where you're going to put it in is going to be right here. And if this is boiling hot, guess what? The contents of it is going to start shooting up. And I've known a few people who've gotten burned just from opening it up while it was too hot. And like it says on the top, it says caution, never open when hot. And to close it, of course, you're going to turn it clockwise, and to open it, you're going to turn it counterclockwise. But this is where you would put it. To the left of it, you have the coolant reservoir. You're going to put it in here, and what's ever here and what's left over is going to go here. And over here, the way you put it in, you're going to have a funnel. You're going to put the coolant inside the funnel. I don't need any, so I'm not going to show you that right now. But that's where it goes. In case you didn't know, that's where it goes. These are just the basics. And your car should be in a flat surface, so it won't show like it has more coolant than it needs to. But that's where it goes, right there.